Hey guys, it's Skylar and welcome back. Today's video is another Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the month of May. Now I know it feels like I've been posting a lot about Boxycharm. That is because on top of my normal subscription box, I have also received the limited edition skincare box. So that's why it kind of seems like I'm doing a lot of Boxycharm. I promise you I'm not. I also took a week off because I had finals, so it's been really hectic. But yeah, so I'm filming 2 Boxycharm videos in one day. I'm going to try and post them up at 2 separate times, so that way you're not seeing one right after the other, because that kind of gets tedious after a while, and no one really wants to see a million Boxycharm videos. With that being said, let's just get straight into today's video. So like I said, this is the Boxycharm for the month of May. Boxycharm, if you have not seen any of my videos in the past, or you have no idea what Boxycharm is, or whatever the case may be, if you're new, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that you can get. It's $21 a month. It's basically a box that holds skincare, nails, hair, makeup products that you get monthly. They give you like 4 to 5 full-size products. Sometimes they give you some sample products on top of that, all for $21 a month, which is really great. You get over $100 worth of products. I will also leave a link down below and up above to my playlist of all of my other Boxycharm unboxings if you're interested in checking those out. Maybe see if it's something that you're interested in. So every box has a different theme. Now this month's theme is Make Waves, which is obviously just referring to the fact that it is getting warmer out. It's going to become summertime. So yeah, which I think is really fun. I like this a lot. I think that the card itself is really cute. Now obviously, again, if you've never seen one of these videos before or you have no idea, each card tells you the theme of a box, and it also tells you what each product is and the pricing of the product. The very first item in the box, which I'm so excited for, on top of all of the skincare products that I've gotten, this month's box also had a Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Now, I've never used this before. I have used some Glam Glow masks in the past, and I loved them. So I'm really excited to try this out. I love the packaging. It's like really psychedelic, purple, pink. I love it. I think that it fits really well. It does remind me of Bubbles too, just the coloring, but I think it fits really well with the theme Make Waves. This looks like it retails for $28, which is really surprising for Glam Glow because usually they're pretty expensive. It looks like it is a daily conditioning gel cleanser, gently but effectively cleans skin and dissolves makeup. I never go in the shower without taking off my makeup. It looks like oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. It looks like it's soap, fragrance, and SLS free. I don't know what that is. If you do, let me know in the comments. I don't know what SLS is. It looks like all skin types approved, so it doesn't matter what kind of skin you've got. This will be good for you. On the box, I'm trying to see. It doesn't say anything about being cruelty-free. It looks like it's vegan, but it definitely is not cruelty-free because it doesn't say here on the box that it is. I don't know if Glam Glow's company is cruelty-free or not. I have no idea. That's something that I would have to look up. So I'm interested in trying this. I haven't tried any of the items in the box. I don't know what any of them are, so this is really first impressions for me too. The next thing in the box that I picked up is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. I can just tell by looking at the packaging of this box that I'm gonna love the color. It is in the color New Bestie. Now this retails for $18. It looks like, it says anyways, that it's velvety. It has a high fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in a rich, long-wearing color. I hate liquid lipstick that like rubs away on the inner portion of the lip. Like, I don't mind if it fades over time. I get that. It doesn't matter what you get, you're gonna have that. But I hate when it like cracks away. Now, I used to love the Beauty Bakery liquid lipsticks, but I found that they did that a lot. It would crack in the inner corner, like the inner portion of my lips, and then it would just like crumble and fall on my face, and I just was not a fan. So like, I really love the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks because they don't do that. They don't feel drying. It actually doesn't really feel like I'm wearing anything, to be honest. So I am interested to see if this is the same kind of deal. I hope so, because I love that. I am going to swatch this for you because I'm interested to see what the color actually looks like. It has that normal doe foot applicator. It looks like, let's see. Ooh. All right, so looking at it in the package from the box, I thought it'd be a little bit more orangey brown. It's actually more like a rosy terracotta. Still really beautiful either way. I love that. I'm interested to see how it looks when it dries down. I've never tried Dose of Colors before. They are a pretty well-known brand. I've heard of them before, just never tried it. I also think that I might have lied. The brand is not called New Bestie. That's just what is in the inner part of the lip when you peel it up. I think it's actually Los Angeles, but they spell it like as Los and then Angeles. I don't know why, I just thought that was like part of the line of liquid lipsticks. So it's not New Bestie, it's Los Angeles. That is the color that this is. So they are cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan. So that's really neat too. You know, if you're someone who can't, you know, you're gluten intolerant, you can't even touch gluten, whatever the case may be, this is good for you because you would be able to use this, and they're vegan, cruelty-free, which is really cool. The next thing in the Boxycharm is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. This is by Ciate London. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I've never heard of this brand before. This retails for $22, and it looks like it is a cream eyeshadow. It's a cream shimmery eyeshadow, actually. So this is a really interesting purple color, actually. I was not expecting that. It's in the color Cupid. I guess that's fitting. It does look like it's shimmery, and this is like a longer doe foot applicator. I don't know if the swatch will pop up on camera. I don't know how pigmented it is. Oh, okay. It's pretty pigmented, actually, and it's really a weird color. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up. It's like a gold purple. I don't even know how to describe it. It doesn't look as purple as it does in the bottle. It's actually a really interesting color. I think it's pretty unique. I've never seen a color like that before. So it'll be interesting trying to come up with a makeup look wearing this. I don't know how well this dries down. I don't know. It could be the worst liquid eyeshadow I've ever used in my life. Who knows? I'm interested to try it. I will let you guys know. I think I might try and do a makeup look with it and obviously record it for you guys and let you know my thoughts. The next item in the box is a Bodyography Midnight Blue Eye Pencil. Now, I think that they might have made a typo because on the slip of paper anyways, they put it as the Bodyography eyeliner pencil, which is right. That's what this says on the package. That's the eyeliner pencil. But then when you read like the little blip about the product, it says this vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define lips. This retails on its own for $14, which I did check. That is true. It is $14. I have a feeling what may have happened is that a while ago, like a few months ago, and I can't remember if it was in one of the ones that I've done here on YouTube or just a different Boxycharm that I've unboxed before I even got here on YouTube, they provided a Bodyography lip pencil, and I love that. That's what I usually use when I'm lining my lips, but I wonder if maybe it happened to be like a template that they used and they just copy and pasted it and maybe forgot to change it or whatever the case may be. But it is an eyeliner pencil. It is not a lip pencil, so that looks like a mess up on their part. This is in the shade Midnight Blue, which is pretty cool. I don't have any sort of pencil that's midnight blue, and the color is actually really stunning. It is pretty pigmented blue shade. I don't know if it would necessarily be considered a midnight blue. It's more of like a Crayola blue, but I think that it's a really pretty color. So I'm interested to try this. I think it would look really cool in the waterline. And it would definitely make my eyes, which are brown, it would make them pop. So I'm excited to use that. The very last item that I have here is the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. This is the fair / light blush trio that you could get. I believe you could get fair to light, light to medium, or medium to dark. I'm pretty sure there was different variations. Now Alamar, however you pronounce it, that is their brand. Boxycharm is basically like, I don't know if you would call it a partnering company. The woman who owns the Alamar Cosmetics also does the Boxycharm, so like occasionally they'll throw in some of their own products in the box, which, you know, whatever, I don't blame them. But this retails for $22. It is obviously a blush trio. It says that it will glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without any damage of the rays. This is what it looks like on the inside. I do love the packaging on the outside too. I think that it's really fitting for theme of the box, to be honest. Really only the eyeliner the Dose of Colors liquid lip and this like fit in with their theme of make waves. This is cool. I mean, it's psychedelic and it fits in, I guess, with the bubbles, but the coloring is kind of off for their theme, so to speak. And this is just, I don't even know. This would be more of like a Valentine's box, in my opinion. I don't know. Or like a spring box. But I think that the inside is really pretty. I love the shades that it comes with. It looks like they are all shimmery. This one is a little bit more matte than these two ones, but it's pretty shimmery still. I think that the mirror is really pretty. I don't know if I would wear this with highlighter as well. I think I would either wear one or the other. I will swatch some of them. It's actually really creamy. It feels really creamy on the finger. This is the shade Castaway. I don't know how well it'll pop up just because I am so fair and this is for fair skin. I mean, you can see it a little bit. It has that really pretty orange tint, which I think will look really nice on the cheeks. I love a good orange blush. I think that it's really pretty for someone with fair skin like myself. The next shade is, I think it's pronounced Parizo. It's more of like a dark blushy pink. Again, I don't know how well that'll pop up on camera. Okay, yeah, it pops up a little bit. Really pretty. It's like a, I don't want to say coral because it's not, but it is like a pretty blush. Like a blushy coral. I don't know if there's a mix between the two. And then the last one is Scorcher, which is this really pretty one on the end. I think it's like more of a corally orange, in my opinion anyways. That one does not pop up as well on camera. It's actually more of like a brownie orange, if anything. I don't know. It's still really pretty. I'm anxious to try that on my face and see how it looks when I apply it with a brush. Overall, I really do like this box. Again, some of it doesn't really fit in with the theme Make Waves, but either way, I'm pleased with what I've received. Now that it's been a couple minutes, this dries down really well. It does not smear. It's not coming off of my finger, which is really good. Same with this. There is a little bit of transfer on my finger, but I think it feels pretty velvety, at least here on my wrist. I don't know what it'll be like when it applies, obviously, on the lips, but I like the feeling of it on my wrist, so I'm hoping for good things with the Dose of Colors. Now that it has dried down too, I want to note that it is more of a dark reddy orange like I thought it was going to be. It's like a dark red orange terracotta brown, sort of, not really. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with this box. I'm really excited to try out all of the items that I've gotten, and I definitely would recommend this. Now, altogether, I didn't do the math out. Let me see. So altogether, this box retails for $104, which I think is pretty cool if you know, are just trying out makeup for the first time. You get it for $21. You can purchase this box separately by itself while supplies last, so maybe you're interested in only this box and you could give a shit less about any of the other boxes until maybe you've seen them. That is something to note. You can purchase this by itself. With that being said, I really do like all the products, and I will keep you updated about how, you know, each of these products perform and stuff. Check out that on my Instagram. I usually will post updates there rather than on YouTube, just because it's easier on that platform, or on Twitter for that matter, than anywhere else. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and be sure to check out my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, because I will be posting little updates about each of these products, and you will see additional content on those platforms that you don't usually see here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.